Twin blackheads in one pore double extraction deep cleaning transformation. Most pores hold one blackhead, but what if one pore held two blockages, 2 layers, one single pore? This is something you don't see every day. In today's treatment, we are removing twin blackheads trapped inside one pore, and the extraction is twice as satisfying. What are twin blackheads? Normally, each pore gets clogged once, but in rare cases, a pore becomes overloaded. Instead of one blockage, 2 separate buildups form inside the same pore. This creates extra pressure, deeper clogging, more visible texture. Why this happens? Twin blackheads form when oil production is high, pores stay clogged for longer, cleaning is incomplete. Instead of clearing out, the pore keeps filling, layer after layer. Step 1. Deep preparation. Before extraction, the skin must be prepared. We start with gentle cleansing to remove surface dirt, then steam is applied to soften both layers of buildup. This step is critical because deeper clogs need more preparation. Step 2. First extraction, surface layer. The first blackhead sits closer to the surface. With controlled pressure, we begin removing the top blockage. It releases slowly, but this is only the beginning. Step 3. Second reveal, unexpected moment. As the first blockage is removed, something unexpected appears. Another blackhead, still inside the same pore. This is what makes this extraction unique. Step 4. Deep extraction, core moment. Now the second blackhead is targeted. This one is deeper, more attached, and harder to remove. Slow pressure is applied again, and finally, the second blockage releases. Why full removal matters? If even one layer is left behind, the pore will clog again. That's why complete extraction is important. Removing both blockages ensures a cleaner and healthier pore. Skin recovery phase. After extraction, the skin needs calming. A soothing treatment is applied to reduce redness and irritation. Hydration helps the pore return to normal. Final transformation. Now look at the pore. Before, double clogged. Stretched. Dark, after, clean. Clear. Refined. The difference is small, but powerful. Final message. Sometimes, one problem is not just one, and sometimes, what you see on the surface is only half the story. Look deeper, and the results become clearer. If you enjoyed this satisfying double extraction, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more deep pore cleaning, blackhead removal, and satisfying skincare transformations. Stay connected.